This application has responsive layout which adapts to different screen widths. In order to replicate the loading indicator, we must activate the inspect element. We should throttle the network like in slow 3G. Now let's scroll this down. We'll see this loading indicator as it loading another data into the view. Data not available error is thrown when a user accessing inexistent data. Like we can test here is we're trying to access the Surabaya area. We know that Surabaya is not an existing place, so the page will return data not available error. On the SEO perspective, this is not good. Well, this is not a good page for the search engine to crawl. So what we do here is throwing the meta noindex robot on the page header. This page also doesn't have a canonical URL. On the data not available error, the response code is 200. This is different than the error of not found page, which returns 404. 404 pages is thrown when the URL is accessed outside the rule that we have defined. We can test here by appending another segment into the URL. Here's also not a valid page to crawl by search engine, so once again we shoot up the noindex meta robots and disabling the canonical URL. You can see that the response code for this page is also 404, different from the previous error code. Another search functionality is search by the doctor's name. Like this one, we can put up some Agus name here. There are 5 doctor named Agus. This application allows user to search and find healthcare professionals based on their medical profession and also the city they are available. Each medical professional can be connected to multiple healthcare facilities like clinics or hospitals like this one. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is one of the features in this application. We can check this page with this Google Chrome extension. We can see this, we have proper title tags and meta description tags. Keywords are missing because it's not relevant again to today's SEO. Talking about performance, let's check the Lighthouse scores. We see that the scoring is quite good for this application. We have green flags in accessibility, best practices, and SEO. And now let's look the GTmetrix score for this application. This is good. We have the A GTmetrix grade for the score. And how about Pingdom tools? Let's check it out. And the result? Performance grade A with 91 score. That's great.